Hello, Jeff. My name is Sergio with Kansas State Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Supreme Green Landworks. Now, I got your information from Roxanne, and we agreed to this statement. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy tap plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, "I like you, Sergio, and can you please do it for me?" So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see your skills that help your business grow and land more customers, and you should message back in the chat. Or if you simply want to take this free tag plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your business above from the others. Now, the first thing I have to go over is your content. So throughout your content, you need at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now, I find your site has about 300. And in comparison with one of your competitors, High End Landscape, they have about 1,100 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable. This shows how rich good content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. So every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one, which is in turn you're losing out on customers. So as you can see when I pull this tool Ahrefs, we go over to your overview. These are your backlinks. This is what your site is actually dense with. You have about 121 backlinks, 53 referring domains, and 214 organic keywords. Let's dive a little deeper into organic keywords. So, outdoors kitchen near me, that's a really good keyword. You're ranking number 4 for it and bringing 28 traffic per month out of the 350 volume that's being searched. So, really what I like is when you have your business name and a niche. That's nice. But the best ones, Supreme Green KC. You have your niche, you have your city. Sam Concrete, Kansas City. You have your niche, you have your city. You can have city niche, city niche. Go on and keep going on the list. But KD, volume, traffic, position. This is what you need to pay attention to. Volume. The amount of times this is being searched per month. KD, how hard it is to search to rank this keyword. And traffic is derived on what position you are in, and depending on how much volume that is spitting out. So on to the next optimization section. The second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this thing the Google Map Pack or Maps. Now these results, you can see the business's information, right? You see name, address, phone number, aka Maps. So I bet you're asking, hey, how do I rank in Maps? Well, getting your ratings up, of course. 5-star ratings will definitely boost your authority at Google and in turn boost your rankings. But behind the scenes, we like to call this thing citations. So I do go to a tool called YSpark, and inside the tool is another tool called Local Citation Finder. It's pretty nifty. So it pops up where the links are coming from and how many you have at that link. So about 17 citation sources, but which only maybe 6 of them are shown as credible citations. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories as Facebook, Bing, bb.org, Yellow Pages, Zone, blah blah blah. Keep going on. Keep getting those citation sources. Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, right? Well, that's how you get better in the map pack. Is just submitting your information into directories as such. Now, the third thing I like to cover with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing gives your site authority, link juice. So when you do a search for landscape Kansas City per se, like I did earlier, you scroll down past the map pack, past the ads, let it load. You see HighlandLandscape.com is in the first position. You have GOH, High Prairie Landscape Group. You have Vision Lawn Care. You have Paramount KC. Now, this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, some people works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, and Paramount would be getting the points. But there's a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So, for example, if you were to have relative sites, say, bb.org linking back to Paramount KC, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to Paramount KC, So I'm pull up Ahrefs again, right? And if you want to look and use this tool, I pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out any link juice keywords that any sites may have to offer. I'm about to pull up your keywords. And here you can see you have a little bit of link juice, right? You can see where links are coming from, where they're going to, and what is linking, whatever text, anchor text you have linking back to it. So let's pull up your competitor, Highland Landscape. They have about 213 backlinks. And you can see where they come from, where they're going to, and what they have as anchor text. Now you keep scrolling down, take every single one of which they reside, a backlink. You can take them for yourself. Now this does take a little bit of time, but it's like building credit, right? It doesn't happen overnight. Well, the three things that we talked about today, right? We got your content. Throughout your page, you want at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And you use those keywords as their backlinks from other sites, linking back to that one keyword. Secondly, or actually stay on this topic. So we also want any service pages, any location pages, all can have at least 700 words. And this will get you optimized to Google and that page as well. So now, secondly, we go to citations. We want to get you in the first place of the map hack, right? So you gotta start getting those 5-star reviews and definitely start upping your citation list. So to get that, you need to start entering your information, NAPs, name, address, and phone number in directories as such. Lastly, we talked about link juice. We need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you either go with this information and provide you today and do something wrong. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, I want to save yourself time. You can call me at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one, Jeff.